don't put like this. See this one here?
Okay.
Put one, so in the middle. And also this one, like this.
Looks like a nice Christmas tree.
Have you seen that?
Then after that, after measuring water, kutogera bidde tusimye muwogo
It's okay.
n'olumonde. Yeah, after that you put banana there. After measuring water, put your banana here. Now ebinyowo ebyamutego nakasekulu yangu
Wow. Those are brown nuts. Gay nuts.
Peanuts?
Yeah. Do you eat gay nuts?
Yeah.
Okay.
But my fingers are so sticky.
Yeah, the sap will go off, don't worry. We'll get the oil.
Eh?
We'll get the oil and then the sap will go off.
These are a different kind of peanuts than what we're used to.
Smaller.
Yes, huh?
For us here, we call them the ground nuts. Ground.
Ground nut.
Yes.
This is a ground to ground.
After shaking,
Because, yes.
this is enough. Akaruka gare.
Kajiema.
Then after when it is enough, you put here. Then you pound. Eka is sahani.
That's enough?
Sahani.
No, still if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You pound.
She's just going to, oops.
The granules are not dry, so you have to do like this. You remove after pounding, you can put it under the sun side. Then you do like this as I've done. Then you remove this one. You do like this. The oil goes. Then you put
You win off.
pound, start pounding. Our grandparents, our mothers were not using plate. They were using what?
Sieve.
That tray made out of well, the other material they've been using. That tray, but not this
Sieve.
metal
Yeah.
thing. Yeah. And even when I was telling you that the food basket is for carrying food from the garden, but these days they are using a basin instead of going with a bucket basket. They are using basins.
Basins.